Hello, everyone.
等一下，先不要放手，地震。
A powerful earthquake struck a group of people in a forest in Taiwan, turning the scene chaotic before the shaking slowly faded. Even a calm and friendly elephant can react unpredictably when surrounded by loud shouting and sudden noise from tourists. A massive truck became trapped on railroad tracks in Ohio before a train slammed into it. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Oh my God, he is going to get hit. How are you not just going? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
A powerful tornado struck Montebello, tearing the roof from a large commercial building and scattering debris everywhere. Strong earthquake tremors struck Malatya, Turkey, as a magnitude 5.6 quake cracked roads and shook the surrounding area. Without hesitation, she put her granddaughter's safety first. That's what family truly means.
Informen, informen!
Look at that ring. Happy birthday.
A motorcyclist was knocked off his feet by powerful storm winds in Vietnam and had to quickly run for safety. Always check the height clearance before driving under bridges or low structures. One mistake can cause serious damage.
You just broke that car?
Oh, nee, nee.
A massive wildfire covering 400 acres near Crested Butte filled the sky with thick smoke, creating a frightening scene. Watching him struggle against the storm's fierce winds is a powerful reminder of just how small and fragile we really are. Strong earthquakes struck Policarpa, triggering a massive landslide and leaving an entire community isolated from communication. Workers at a construction site in Texas faced a terrifying moment when a powerful tornado hit, forcing them to hold onto the roof for their lives. Being on the sidewalk doesn't mean you're completely safe. Always stay alert because danger can come unexpectedly. A powerful tornado tore through the marina at Leesville Lake on May 17, 2024, as captured by security cameras. It looked like an all-out war as two monkey groups battled on the hillside and chased each other along the road in complete chaos. Thanks to his quick thinking, the boy managed to avoid a potentially dangerous situation. This landslide on the road to Badrinath created a dangerous situation, especially with so many people standing nearby. Keeping a safe distance is crucial. And that brings us to the end of today's incredible moments. Which moment amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe for more unbelievable scenes coming your way.